How to change language in your YouTube app. Is your YouTube app showing the wrong language? Whether you're learning a new language or just want your native one back. Here's how to fix the language settings in just a few steps. YouTube follows your iPhone's default language. This means to change the language in YouTube app, you need to change your iPhone's language settings. Go to Settings, then find General. Then go to Language and Region. Tap on Add Language and you can choose the language that you prefer. Your phone will restart to apply the changes. When your device switches language, relaunch the YouTube app. All text and menus should now be displayed in the language that you selected. And that's it. You've successfully changed the YouTube app language. Simple, right? And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.